Good afternoon. I was able to find some water, and I chose to sit out here and listen to this joker run down the stream. So the beach is my peaceful place, and unfortunately it doesn't look like I'll be getting that way this year. So I'm gonna sit out here for a minute. If I have crossed paths with you and we haven't talked in a while, please be assured that I send up prayers for everyone that I have ever come in contact with. I have friends near and far, and I just want everyone to create a peaceful environment for yourself. There's a lot going on. We're in the midst of a pandemic, and then everything else that is currently going on. So you have to keep yourself elevated, keep your mind up. It is very easy to become a little bit, but you can't stay down there. You have to bring that joker up. So look, everyone, please create yourselves a peaceful setting. Whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that your peace is not being penetrated and your harmony is not being compromised. And then have a non-negotiable list. And that is my advice to everyone. Do take care of yourselves. Know that I miss not being able to interact with a lot of people. But the time will come where we will be able to do that. So please accept this as a sincere greeting and wishing everyone well. Be good to yourselves. Treat each other the way you want to be treated. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Never extend to someone that you would not willingly allow to be extended to you. Have a good one. Peace.